The marketing landscape is changing faster than ever before. Are you ready for 2024? So as you know, marketing trends are constantly changing and can be really, really hard to keep up with the competition. So today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that we see happening in 2024 that is going to create a marketing success plan for you next year. So the first thing is we've been seeing a rise in AI, our machine learning, and it's going to continue to have a major impact on marketing. AI can be used to automate tasks, personalize customer experiences, deliver a more targeted advertising, and you've probably seen some form of AI all over any platforms that you are on right now. One of my favorite things that we've seen in AI so far is the owner of our company, Eric, used an AI tool where he was driving in his truck, talking. It made it look like he was talking to the camera, but he was actually driving, looking forward, and the AI shifted his eyes toward the camera. That's such a useful tool if you are always on the go, or if you're having to read cue cards or anything like that, and you want to make a more personal connection with the camera. That's a great tool. It's one of my favorite ones that I've seen so far. There's just a ton of different AI tools out there. If you just did a quick Google search, there's probably an AI tool for anything that you need help with. So that is one of the rise of trends that we are seeing right now, and that we can see in 2024 is only going to get better. So if you are not up to date on all the different AI trends, you're going to be left behind in the dust. So another trend that we want to watch for is the continued shift towards streaming and CTV advertising. So as more and more people consume their content on streaming platforms, advertisers are going to be following suit. You may have already seen it when you're streaming a show or a movie. There may be some ads that come in through there, and you might be sitting there thinking, gosh, this ad is very targeted toward my personal audience, and that is completely on purpose. So you're going to kind of want to look into that. That might be a platform that you might want to look into for marketing in 2024. And then finally, we expect to see a continued focus on social commerce. So social media platforms are making it easier than ever for people to shop directly for their favorite brands. And we've seen this really popular trend on TikTok lately. You might be scrolling TikTok, and every other TikTok you see is an ad to shop the TikTok shop. And there's a lot of stuff on the TikTok shop. Don't even get me started. I'll get in trouble. But anyway, you might be seeing this. It's been around for a while on some of the other platforms, but we are seeing it more and more in a lot of the social media platforms. You can sell your product directly from those platforms. Your customers and potential customers are already on those platforms. So it just makes complete sense for you to go ahead and get your product on there for them to be able to shop while they're already streaming a platform that they're already on. But here are a few tips on how you can begin to do that and how you can do that in the next year. Start investing in AI and machine learning. There are a number of tools and platforms available, like I said, that can help you automate tasks, personalize customer experiences, deliver a more direct targeted advertising. And even though AI is like absolutely crazy phenomenal, it's still not human. So make sure that you're strategic with your prompts. We found that adding your voice and tone makes a huge difference in setting AI up for success. Otherwise, it's just going to sound like everybody else's AI. But if you have a voice and tone for your business, for your brand, which we can also help with, that will help you when writing your prompts for AI to write or to create whatever it is that you're needing it to create. Also, shift your focus to streaming and CTV advertising. If you're not already advertising on streaming platforms, now's the time to start looking into that. And then make it easy for people to shop your social media pages. Many social media platforms, like I said, now offer features that make it easy for people to buy products directly from your post and stories. One of the easiest ways to do this is already on Instagram and your stories. There's a way to add a link. You can add a link to your shop. You can add your shop to your Instagram account. Same thing I said with TikTok shop, same thing with Facebook. The thing is, guys, is that your customers and your potential customers are already on these platforms. There's absolutely no reason why not to use them to promote your products. So if you ever find yourself hitting a wall and you're just stumped and you don't know how to move forward in marketing in your business, we're your vibe. So reach out to us. You can email us, call us, TikTok us, Facebook us, Instagram. We're on all the stuff. So we'll hope to hear from you guys soon. I did it first.
Do you want this picture? I think I did first.